Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Civic. Guys, we're talking about that generation here, year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find, guys, where the fuse is for the rear right power window, the one on the passenger side rear window. If it doesn't work, check that fuse. We'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses and relays for them at a good price, quick shipping as well, guys. So you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. We're going to demonstrate here on 2017 Honda Civic where the rear right power window fuse is located, guys. You have 2 fuse boxes. We'll need to work in just one of them, which is located inside the vehicle. If you get inside the vehicle, on the driver's side, under the dash, if you look upside down, you're going to see a fuse box like that next to the OBD port. That's the dash here. We can zoom in that picture so we can clearly show you now, guys, but before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that we'll need to check here for the rear right power window, the fuses are labeled as it follows: 1 through 13, 14 through 26, 27 through 39. 27 through 39. So we have, guys, okay, coming right here, it will be super easy. Rear right power window fuse will be number 27. That one right here in the corner, in our case it's a 20 amp fuse that you will need to check. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. See you guys next time.